welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making Ritz Carlton lemon pound cake. This is the only lemon pound cake recipe you will ever need. For our ingredients, we have all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, unsalted butter, shortening, eggs, whole milk, lemon juice, and lemon zest. The first thing you want to do, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You want to spray or butter and flour your bunnet pan. Here we're going to shift together our flour, our salt, and then our baking powder. We're going to continue to add our flour, and we're going to shift everything together in our bowl. Once we're done shifting our items, we are going to set it aside. Now, in another bowl, we're going to add our shortening and our 2 sticks of butter. Then we're going to add our sugar, and then we're going to use an electric mixer, and we're going to mix together our butter, shortening, and sugar. Now we're going to add our eggs one at a time, and we're going to beat until our eggs are well blended after each one. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to begin to add our flour and our milk. We're going to start with our flour. You want to alternate with your flour and your milk. And you want to end with your flour. We're going to beat at low speed just until blended after each addition. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to add our 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we're going to mix that in well. And then we're going to add our lemon zest. Once we're done adding our lemon zest to our cake mixture, we're going to pour our batter into our prepared pan. We're going to bake our cake for 55 minutes. You want to test your cake. You want to insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, that means that your cake is done. We're going to take our cake out of our oven, and we're going to cool that cake for 15 minutes in its pan. Once your 15 minutes is over, we're going to turn our cake out onto a rack, and we're going to cool completely. Here we're going to start to glaze our lemon pound cake. For our icing, we used a cup of powdered sugar and anywhere from 3 to 4 teaspoons of lemon juice, depending on how you like your icing. If you like a thin icing, you use more. If you like a more thicker icing, you use less lemon juice. So we're icing our cake, and we are done icing our cake, and we cut into it, and it was delicious. Today we made a Ritz Carlton lemon pound cake. This was a delicious pound cake. This is the only recipe you need for a lemon pound cake. Let me tell you, if you would like to try this recipe, I will leave it down below. This is a great dessert for a crowd. Today, we made a Ritz Carlton lemon pound cake. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eats.